If you will behave the way I'm going to share with you, ladies, you will make it impossible for him to waste your time. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high value women secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And just before I will share with you, ladies, how to avoid time wasters, how to spot them, and how to get them to naturally drop off, don't forget to take my free self-awareness test to find out are you behaving as a high value or a low value woman, which I will drop down in the video description box below. Also, I will drop down a link on where you can get a free gift, which is called Love That Lasts. Enjoy it. And recently I published my book, which is called Devoted Relationships, and you can get it on Amazon if you would like to learn how to become a woman of high value from the core. All the links will be in the video description box below. So my ladies, without further ado, let's start. So he will only be able to waste your time if you will allow it. He will only be able to control you, take you for granted, and use you if you will allow it. So, how do you not allow it? Well, who is in charge of your life? You are. And how do you stay in charge of your life? By having self-control. And when do we find it hard to have self-control with men? It is when we are emotionally attached. So if it's easier to have emotional control when we are not emotionally too attached, how do we stay a bit aloof, emotionally not too involved, see the truth in a person, and think clearly, logically? Number one, do not fall for a fantasy. Now, what is a catch? What is a high value man? A high value man is the one that fully provides, protects, and has good virtues or good values. So he is loyal, he does the right thing, he cares about you, he cares about his family. These things are also love needs for a woman in a man. We as girls, we fall in love with men that provide, protect, give us safety and security. A lot of times I would even say we allow ourselves to fall in love with these type of guys because we can see we will be looked after and loved by them. So men obviously are very well aware of this, and this is why they love bomb you on the first couple of dates. So a man sees a woman he's attracted to, he's aware of your love needs or what you see as a catch, and he presents himself by charming you, by sweeping you off your feet, by telling you how he wants to take you on holidays and how wealthy he is and how he's gonna pay for this and take you out here and there, and how you are the only one because you're so beautiful and he's falling in love with you right now as he's speaking to you. Or how come he missed his chance and didn't marry you 5 years ago? You would be with 5 kids right now if he would have met you 5 years ago. So men put these fantasies, these promises into women's head because they know that this is what fulfills a woman's love need. A lot of times what I find it with ladies, men just do it on the first couple of dates and a woman already feels swept off her feet. She thinks, oh wow, I met the prince on a white horse, I want to marry him tomorrow. Or Greta, we met on a first couple of dates, he was completely amazing, I don't know why he's not calling me anymore, how do I get him to pursue me, or how do I win him back? Ladies, number one, don't fall in love with fantasy. What you see in the first couple of dates and the fantasy he is giving for you is for you to fall in love with him, so you would become available for him, so you would start to put him as a priority, so you would feel safe and secure to sleep with him. Which takes me to the step number 2. Ladies, here is the secret that has been used not so long ago, I would say, by my older sister or by our parents, etc. Do not sleep with him at least the first 3 months. Spend time with him. Let him charm you. Let him sweep you off your feet. Let him show how much of a provider he is. Let him show how much of a protector he is. Let him show his amazing good virtues and values. Let him, in those first 3 months, prove himself to you that he is who he says he is. You don't need to tell to a guy, oh, you need to prove yourself to me, etc. A lot of men cannot stand it, and they will be like, I don't have to prove anything, or you're putting him on a spot, he feels confronted, they just drop back. But what you can do, you can just say, I like to take my time, I like to get to know a person better before I can get physically close. And if he's so interested in you, if you're the one, as he says you are, he will wait around and he will be taking you on these dates. He will be pursuing you. He will be charming you. He will be trying to win you. Now, ladies, please remember that you behaving like this, you're showing self-value, you're showing self-respect, and you are also being a challenge. What do men love? Men love a challenge. Men love to go for their goals and dreams. Men love to win things. How to be a challenge for a man, ladies? Check out my video right here. Did you fall off, Luna? Number 3. Be in a relationship with him or let him court you when he already has feelings for you. So when you give it 3 months, ladies, you don't do anything intimately with a guy. You're actually giving him time to fall in love with you. Men develop feelings for a woman when you guys spend time together, when he has to fight for you, pursue you, charm you, prove himself to you, when he has to invest in you. Therefore, if you are behaving in a self-respectful manner, you're not being too intimate with him, you guys enjoy spending time together, you guys have amazing conversations, you can see that you click, there is chemistry, you can see that you bond, it's very likely that within 3 and maximum 4 months, he will start to catch very strong feelings for you. And only when he starts to catch these feelings for you and offers the relationship or courtship, this is when you can agree with it. When you get into a relationship too quickly, for example, he offers you a relationship after 1 month. In the beginning, men are not that crazy about you yet. They just see you as a goal. They are attracted to you. But a lot of them still keep their options open. And he is not in love with you after the first month or after the first few weeks. Therefore, he can pull out very quickly. And on top of that, if he, let's say, sees you as pretty, he sees you as a catch, he offers you a relationship, but he's not in love with you yet, and he's a bit of a playboy type, there is a likability that he still has his options open. He offered the relationship to you just for the sake of spending the nights with you. So if it's the case, the possibility that he may cheat on you in the beginning is definitely there. However, if you agree to a relationship after about 3 months of dating, now he has developed much stronger feelings for you. Now he's bonded to you more. Now he's appreciating you more. Now he sees you as much more valuable as he had to work for you so much. Now he's catching some feelings towards you. So the possibility that he will cheat on you becomes much, much smaller. Number 4. if he is only after one thing, which is could be to sleep with you, obviously have nothing to worry about, because by taking your time, you actually allow him to naturally drop off. So maybe he'll take you on a first couple of dates and you're not giving it to him. And then he goes like, oh, I can't be bothered. This girl is too high maintenance, or she's too much work, or she wants something too serious and I just want to have fun and enjoy the moment. And he will go for someone else and he'll naturally drop off, which is completely fine, as you enjoyed a few dates with a guy and now he's out, so you're not wasting your time anymore. Therefore, you can simply move on without a headache. Number 5. When you will take your time and will not sleep with a guy too soon, it will be much harder for him to play you, because you are emotionally detached. If anything, he will be falling for you first. Why? Because women usually get really attached to men when we sleep with them, when there is a lot of physical connection, or when we fall for a fantasy. And men know that. This is why we try to BS you very quickly, and we try to touch you and get you into bed very quickly, because we know these are two key ways to get a woman attached to them ASAP. And then once you're attached, it's very easy to control and play you and manipulate you, because majority of women then start to overreact. A lot of us let go of our emotions, and these men, these players, have a full charge of you. We have full control over you. So if you will stay logical when he's presenting you a fantasy and you're not getting physically attached because you're not doing things that are inappropriate, he is the one that's falling for you because you are fulfilling his love needs by being a challenge, being the one he cannot have, by being his goal. Therefore, it only makes sense that he will be falling in love with you while you are still staying emotionally detached. And if he is a player, his games will not work, because the game only works when you really care. And you really care when you are emotionally attached. Number 6. The first 3 months when you are dating a guy, or when you're being just friends, because it's your choice to call it dating or friendship, it's totally up to you, keep your options open. Do not put all the eggs into one basket, and keep your options open. Date other people too. Nobody's telling you to sleep with them. But let the best guy that proves himself to you that he is a catch and he is who he says that he is win. Don't waste your time just by focusing on one guy. That's the point. What if he's on just for one thing, and when you're not giving it to him, after a few weeks he drops off? And what if on top of that he's a liar and he splits the bill 50-50 and he has no intention of providing for you? Don't be silly. You're allowed to keep all your options open, especially when there is not much of intimacy involved, which will also help you to stay emotionally detached. Number 7, wait for him to offer the relationship first, or wait for him to offer to court you. And by the way, courting is very different from somebody offering a relationship. And if after 3 months of you guys being just friends, or after 3.5 months, maximum 4 months of you guys dating, he doesn't offer a relationship, well, he's simply just not that into you. I would highly recommend you to move on and not to waste any more of your precious time. So ladies, these were my 7 ways on how to spot the time wasters, how to let them naturally drop off. If you liked this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. Join Greta's High Value Women's School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And for one-on-one group coaching or coaching with a member of my team, book me through my website, which is called gretabereisaite.com. Thank you so much for watching, my queens. Kisses from Dorset. Mwah.